Have you ever had one of those days na parang lahat ay nakatadhana sa'yo, para sa'yo? The kind of day na kahit puno ng ulan, traffic at kaba, lahat ng pangyayari ay nagtutulak sa'yo papunta sa isang unforgettable moment? Well, today, that's my story. Because today, September 30, 2025, the world is celebrating
Podcast Day.
Podcast Day. Thank you, na. And just like what I promised the last time in my previous episode, I'm here to give you my full update after attending GMA Public Affairs, the Storytellers Academy, with no less than the Jessica Soho. One thing I want you to know, take the risk or you'll miss the story. And before anything else, bago saan tayo pumunta, let me introduce myself again. This is Angeline Reyes, the host of the podcast titled Keep Going. So that day, late na ako gumising. It's like 8 a.m. na yon. 5 months na rin akong hindi bumabiyay papuntang city. Kasi sa Cubao yun. Ang layo-layo nun, di ba? And Cavite to. Like, Naik, Cavite. And ang dami kong reasons para magstay na lang sa bahay. Pero alam nyo, minsan all it takes is one brave decision. Sabi ko no, kailangan kong pumunta. So, I packed my things, prayed for safe travels, hopped on my scooter, and off I went. And guess what? In my entire 2-hour ride, hindi umulan. Hindi ko nga nagamit yung kapote ko eh. Pagkapasok ko ng Pure Gold parking, bam, bumagsak yung ulan, ang lakas-lakas. And that moment, I whispered, "Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much." Bago pa ako nakarating pupunta sa location na yon, I just wanna give a huge shout out sa lahat ng motoristang tinanungan ko along the way. Like angkas, joyride drivers, guards, lahat sila tinulungan nila akong hanapin yung tamang daan papunta sa exact location ng event. And it reminded me, when you're lost, literally or in life, huwag matakot magtanong. Someone out there is willing to point you in the right direction. Remember that. So, fast forward, I found myself at Gateway 2, Cinema 11. Imagine hundreds of students, teachers, content creators, all lining up for one reason. Why? To learn from the best. So pagpasok pa lang, I was greeted by memorabilia of Ma'am Jessica's early days as a reporter. Her tools, her journey, her beginnings, naka-display sa harap ko. Nakakaiyak and nakaka-inspire. Grabe. Then the program began, hosted by the ever-charming Martin Javier. Siya yung nakikita natin sa Game Changer sa 24 Oras. And then the moment she walked in, Miss Jessica Soho herself. Grabe, parang speechless at that moment. Makita mo siya personally on that center. Kasi with so much pride and so much admiration, I am seeing the person who's being well known when it comes to journalism. And when she started speaking, it wasn't just a lecture. It was history unfolding, stories of danger, sacrifice, truth-telling, nakakaiyak. Kasi she didn't just report the news. She risked her life to tell the stories that mattered. And right there, I realized, sino pa kaya ang makakatapat kay Jessica Soho? Maybe not. And that's okay, because she already paved the way. Our role, to continue the work. A big surprise came. The boy whose story once broke our hearts on KMJS. Daxon. Daxon was actually there, alive, healed, standing in front of us, and in that moment, I was reminded, miracles are real. Sometimes you just have to keep believing that healing and hope can happen. And just when we thought the day couldn't get any better, pumasok si Sir Atom Aurelio. According to Sir Martin, camera worthy. Grabe, that fangirl moment ako. The students screamed and syempre ako rin. And Miss Jessica asked him about his bubo, meaning his scars, his burdens in journalism. And you know what I learned from him? Your scars don't make you weak. They make your story worth telling. We all carry something heavy, but those very struggles shape the truth we share with the world. Wow, that's too deep. So afterwards, there were raffles, prizes, coaching moments, and though I didn't get picked to ask my question, I smiled. Kasi yung tanong ko, tinanong ng ibang estudyante, and her answer, the same one I needed to hear. Always speak the truth. And the encouragement coming from Miss Jessica, she's like asking, kailangan namin kayo. Wow, that's really nice thing to hear from the woman itself. So before the program ended, we even became part of a trailer shoot for Gabi ng Lagim. And of course, the iconic lines of Jessica Soho herself. Lumipad ang aming team. Di umano. Ako po ang inyong kapuso, kapuso mo Jessica Soho. I-KMJS na yan. Wow. That's a lot of goosebumps everywhere and lahat kami hiyawan na lang ng hiyawan. That's a great feeling. Gratitude transforms moments into memories. On my way home, kahit nilagnat ako after ng biyahe dahil sa ulan at pagod, I kept replaying the day in my head. The risk, the ride, the stories, the tears, the laughter, and the meeting new people. And I whispered again, thank you, Lord. So here's my takeaway for you listening right now. If you don't take the risk, you won't have a story. Ask for help when you're lost. Honor the people who paved the way. Believe in miracles. And never, ever be ashamed of your scars. Because your story matters. This was one unforgettable September for me, and I hope in your own journey, you'll find the courage to say yes to opportunities, kahit may ulan, kahit may kaba. Remember, keep going.